Greetings, my name is Destiny Lee, and this is my final presentation for PPX 5. State of Intent. Because I want to be a multimedia producer, this month I will practice content planning and creative direction by creating a personal Instagram portfolio to add all creative work for companies, peers, people who want to collaborate, and family. For my growth section, I was able to pick a brand's name, pick the different types of fonts I would like to use for my Instagram, and pick a color theme that I would like to consistently use or have as my main background when it comes to my highlights and when it comes to my profile picture. Where did I struggle and how did it surprise me? Well, when it came to figuring out a name, I had so many opportunities and so many options. So I definitely made sure I lined them up with 6, and then I broke it down to 3. I did my research on Instagram, and I figured out that some people had one of my favorite ones, House of Design. It was a nice play with my name, and I was thinking of if I was to use that name, it would be great when it comes to a production team and adding other people. But that was taken. So I was just rambling. I was blessed to be able to come up with DL, Dreamy Design. I love design idea, and I just used my initials for Destiny Lee. And what shocked me and what surprised me was the different types of research I had to do. I wasn't fully relying on ChatGPT. I had to do the research when it came to on Instagram, and figure out is anybody else using the same thing. And I feel like that's what kind of delayed me, but it helped me be able to run back to the other options that I had. And I didn't want to overshadow, overpower, or compare my name towards anybody else's brand, if that makes sense. What did I learn? I was able to build more tech and soft skills, of course. On the tech side, I found out more Adobe fonts and color. I found out different ones, different types of things that I could use for myself and other projects. Notions, discovering more things within Notion, because Notion keeps growing, and I'm very thankful that other people within my majors talked about it. Then I studied more about Gemini. Other people have been mentioning the different type of AI softwares, and I'm stepping out and trying more instead of ChatGPT. Soft skills, I've been getting better when it comes to creative thoughts and writing down my ID instead of typing it, getting better with writing it. I do both, but writing do help. Both helps, honestly. I enjoy doing both. And doing the research, I always take the time to write out my ideas or write in my notes and do the research when it comes to thinking of writing out prompts for AI, or just figuring out if I'm right or wrong when it comes to asking myself questions. What would I do differently and why? Honestly, nothing. This whole month was needed, and I'm very thankful to have this month in this class to be able to create this and start my portfolio, so I'm able to post everything that I need and consistently post things that I'm learning and doing within each class. What am I proud of and why? I'm proud of myself for even doing this and consistently being on schedule when it comes to doing this. And I'm proud of myself for thinking and planning and putting my plans to actions. I wish I would have done this earlier, truthfully. This is my digital asset. I wanted to showcase the color scheme that I picked and the different type of fonts I will be using. So what's next? Over time, creating a business or creating different types of event that brings the community together. And I'll definitely have something in mind for the next PPX. And this is my deliverable. This is my Instagram that I just opened up recently, and was able to wasn't able to post what I wanted to post on there, but I have it started up, and I'll be posting definitely this weekend, trying to get some stuff up that I already have loaded up in my YouTube. And I have the checklist, my Google Docs, so you can also click on that to see the process and everything that I was able to jot down when it came to this deliverable, my Instagram. You be blessed. You have a great day. Thank you for your time. Thank you for listening. I hope all is well, and I do apologize for my voice, but I thank you for listening.